What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today I have a very special episode for you guys. I'm bringing you guys a new Solana meme coin that came out about 2 weeks ago. This thing I think is going to pop off hard. Like, I mean 10x, 20x, 30x potential in the near term this summer, guys. So if that sounds good, smash that like button because I'm going to break this down for you guys, let you guys know why I think that this coin is a fantastic buy right now. Stick around and let's go. What's poppin', ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about CHIBI. CHIBI is another Solana meme coin. It's a cat coin. This is like a Michi. My buddy said this reminds him a lot of Michi, and he thinks this thing can pop off hard. And if you guys don't know, Michi was an extremely parabolic cat coin on Solana. It delivered insane gains, and so it's always great to find what's coming next, guys. And this might be next. So let's break it down. Let's talk about why this might be the coin. Let's start with the Twitter. The Twitter has 2,000 followers, and over here we've got 2,600 holders. This thing has only been out, guys, since what? The third, what is that, 12 days. We got 2,600 holders in 12 days, and this thing ran all the way to a 5 million market cap already. Guys, it is down substantially. It is down drastically. We're at a 270K market cap. We're at a price of about 30. We're about a 17x from the top where we were about 11 days ago, guys. So if I have your attention, guys, and then by the way, this thing can pump. This thing can pump. I rode this recent pump right here. This thing was like a 4x that happened in less than a day, and this thing is now back to the bottom of the chart. So let's break this down here, guys, because this thing is hitting a very critical support zone here. This support zone that used to be resistance turned into support 1 time, 2 times, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times, and we're sitting right inside of this box here at a very, very low price. This is a micro cap, guys. It is a high risk play. Be smart with your money, guys. Don't put your money in some bad plays because some guy on YouTube said so. I will say, though, I'm holding about 7 million tokens. That's valued about a little over $2,000. That's about my risk tolerance for a micro cap like this right here. But that can really turn into a substantial amount of money. We're talking this thing is a 17x from where it was at the top of the chart, guys. And by the way, going back to the Twitter where we were going to start, they're very active. They posted 1 hour ago. The CHIBI community takeover is in full effect. We've gathered all the top holders. They're contributing to the marketing wallet, and this is how all community takeovers start. It's now CHIBI's world. This is awesome. I love the memes that they got going here. A lot of memes going on right here. What is it? Yesterday was the 14th, so 14th, 13th. See, they're very active. They're posting nearly daily, usually multiple times per day right here. New website, CHIBI.sol, that came out, 4 days ago. They had this new website that popped out. CHIBI's world over here. You can join their Telegram. They have a decent amount of people in the Telegram. What is it? Over 1,000 people in the Telegram now. We've got 1,000. Congrats, guys. This right here looked like Star Wars meme. What do we got here? A lot of cool memes, man. A lot of cool CHIBI basketball meme, and that is a really cute cat, guys. Like, this is how cat coins really pop off. It's a cute cat, a very cute cat, little kitten. We love little cute kittens like this. This is what people would want to buy. It's just I don't think that many people know about this coin yet. This coin is really under the radar right now, and that's what channels like mine are about. I'm about bringing you guys something that you're not going to find anywhere else. You're probably not going to find CHIBI in very many places. I've got 1 or 2 buddies that are talking about CHIBI, and that's about it, guys. You know, and like, look, I drew out these lines right here on the chart. Drew out this line where we got stuck here, and man, did we run up to that area once again. So when this thing really starts to cup and handle and start to take off right here, which may take some time. This may take a little bit of time to perform, but what I can say is the market's turning around. Bitcoin's starting to recover. It's at about 65,000 right now today. A lot of good news. Inflation data came out good. Solana's improving and doing better. And now all the coins on Solana are going to perform as well. So I think that this thing could really pop off. With only a 900 million supply, you know, at a price of 30, it's not even a 300K market cap because of that 900 million supply. So you're getting this at like a 250,000 market cap. And perhaps that's where it just bottomed out at. You know, a lot of these coins, they go back to a round number like that. If we were to switch this to market cap right here, you'd probably see that this thing probably bottomed at 250K market cap, which is probably a round zone for this thing to go down to. This is probably a great time to load up on this coin. Not financial advice, guys. Do your own research, please, on this coin right here. But there is some big heads looking at this. I'm holding it. My girl's holding it. My best friend's holding it. My brother's holding it. I've got a buddy on here that I met in crypto. He's holding this coin. We've got some heads in this coin, and we're diamond hands. We're holding on to this thing. We think that this thing could really, really perform right here. So I urge you, do your own research with Chibi before it's too late, guys. What am I doing? My face is so big that you can't even see what's actually going on in the chart. Sorry about that. Made my face a bit smaller right here. Closed the Telegram. They're very active in both of these, though. Twitter, Telegram, very active right here. Chart looks good. Look at this is what we were actually looking at happening. We were looking at something like this, but the way that these work is like they've got to have this accumulation phase down here. You're in this accumulation range now, guys. Almost all the Solana meme coins do this exact same function. They come out, they pop off really hard, they come down, they make one more attempt at it, and when they fail at that attempt, make a lower high right here, it signals the downtrend, and it just bleeds and bleeds and bleeds, and you usually get a couple fake out recoveries like this, and then it like just comes down until it really like the price action gets really, really tight. You can see how spotty this price action up and down, and then it got really, really, really tight right here. So this is what we're looking at, guys. It's getting so tight down there. Because why? Because the people that are holding it no longer want to sell it, and the people that are buying it aren't buying enough because there's not enough people buying right now. Why? Because there's not enough people that know about this token, guys. And the volume is very low too. That's another reason why this thing wouldn't perform right now, is the volume is too low. You want volume to improve. See how low this volume was back here? See how low this volume was? There was no performance here. But as soon as you got these big volume bars start stepping in, boom, and this thing took off, right? So that's what you're looking for, you guys. You're looking for a catalyst to turn this thing around. You're looking for some people to dive into this coin when they find out about it. Because why? Because the Twitter's very active, and this thing can go absolutely viral. And there's big people talking about it. There's some big names talking about this thing right now. Let's go into one more thing here. The decentralization is fantastic on this coin. I'm really happy about this. You know, there's no person that owns more than 3%. 17% is in radium, and that exactly shows you what I told you. There's not enough people buying this coin. 17% of the supply is sitting in radium waiting to be purchased, guys. That's what we're looking at, guys. So definitely do your own research on this thing soon. It's got total value locked of 93K. I really think that that's a solid amount. It's really solid amount for this market cap. You know, that's like a third of the market cap is in total value locked already, guys. And you could use all these links. These links work. You know, it's not like those other meme coins where like you look on there and the fucking X account is suspended and the Telegram doesn't even work. Do you know what I mean, guys? Like, I'm sure you've been around crypto and seen some red flags. This isn't showing me any red flags. Here's another thing. Verified on Twitter. And it's on Jupiter's strict list, guys. If you look into it, there's the green check. Green check. Verified on Jupiter. Verified on Twitter. Check out this coin, guys. Don't take too long to check out this coin. I know it sounds like I'm shilling this coin, but I'm incredibly bullish on this project. And I would like my followers to take a look at this while you have a chance before it's too late and this thing really starts popping off. Now, I could urge you, if you are going to get into this, try to get in it at less than a 50. Less than 50 price. I'll put it on the chart for you guys so you can see it right here. Don't buy it above this because you saw my video. Okay? I've had to do this before with you guys because some people are like, they buy at too high of a price and they get smoked. Like, if it's down here still in accumulation, then it's a good buy range, in my opinion. But if we start breaking over these supports and start working our way up, you know, like you might just have another one of these and it brings you back down and you're immediately down money, you know? Until you see the downtrend broken and things really start to turn around, you could assume that any pump that you get may come back down some, and don't chase pumps. We don't ever chase pumps. We wait for coins to come back down, and then we look at them once again once they come back down and say, is it still active? Does the project still look good? So, I mean, like, just being verified on Jupiter is a massive plus for this. And people are going to like that when they see that. The coins that are on that strict list do really well. So, but that's all I got for you guys. Smash that like button if you got some value out of Chibi here today. I'm going to start bringing you guys more videos more often soon here. Thank you for watching, guys. Have an amazing day and take care.